now review exercise remaining questions of class 9 mathematics. We have already done the MCQs, all the MCQs, and question number 2 complete, question number 3 complete on page number 129. Of review exercise of chapter number 6 of class 9. Now for question number 4, we need to find the LCM by factorization. The question is 12x square minus 75, 6x square minus 13x minus 5 and 40x square minus 20x plus 25. We need to find the LCM of that. First of all, you can see that there are 1, 2, and 3 expressions, so they require some factorization. 12x square minus 75. You can see that something is common here. 3 is common from this. After taking common 3, we are left with 3 4s are 12. 4x square minus 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 25. So 4x square minus 25. This is also this also require again some factorization, because between these two squares there is some negative sign. So it will also become a formula. This is of the type of a square minus b square. We can write it as 2x whole square minus 5 square. So now this becomes, this is of the type of a square minus b square. So you can write it as a square minus b square is equal to, you know that this is a plus b into a minus b. So 2x plus 5 and 2x minus 5. Now for about 6x square minus 13x minus 5, it requires midterm breaking. 6 multiplied by minus 5, answer is minus 30. You need two numbers whose multiplication answer is minus 30 and whose operative answer is minus 30x. Those numbers are minus 15 and plus 2. So you can write it as 6x square minus 15x plus 2x minus 5. What is common here? 3x is common, 3 2 are 6, 2x minus 5 plus 1, again 2x minus 5. So 2x minus 5 and again 2x minus 5. You can write it once, 2x minus 5 into 3x plus 1, and that's it. And after that, for this 40x square minus 20x plus 25, first of all, you can see that something is common here. What is common? You can see that 5 is common here. So after taking 5 common from here, you are left with 5 8s are 40, 8x square minus 5 4s are 20, 4x plus 5 5s are 25. Now it requires some midterm breaking. 8 5s are 40. We need a pair of numbers whose multiplication answer is plus 40 and whose operative answer is minus 4. The number is, sorry, this is not 40, this is, sorry, this is 4x. This is 4x square minus 20x plus 25. Okay. We need to annotate it. This is 4x square, this is minus 20x, this is 25. Again, this is, you can do it through factorization, or you can do it through by making a perfect formula. For perfect formula, you need two positive squares. One is this 4x square, that is 2x whole square. This is just like a square. Another positive square is 25. This is 5 square. And for minus sign, this is a square plus b square minus 20x. You need to verify it. Minus 2ab. So minus 2a and b. What is the value of a? The value of a is beneath this square, that is 2x. Write it. And the value of b, which is beneath that square, that is 5. And right here. Now confirm it, that is this 20x with negative sign or not? 2 to the 4, 4, 5, that 20x. That's it. This is of the type of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is basically a minus b whole square type formula. You can write it as 2x minus 5 whole square, or you can write it as 2x minus 5 and again 2x minus 5. This means again 2x minus 5 whole square. Now the question was to find the LCM. For LCM, you need common factors, CF. What are common factors here? First is, this is 2x minus 5. This is common. And nothing is common between 2 or 3. Nothing is common. So 2x minus 5 is common. And non-common factors, what are left? 3 and 2x plus 5 and 3x plus 1 and again this 2x minus 5. These are non-common factors. Now you can easily find the LCM, that is LCM is equal to common factors multiplied by non-common factors, both are. So common factors and non-common factor, first is 3, then this is 2x plus 5, then this is 2x minus 5 and again 2x minus 5 whole square, and then this is 3x plus 1. That's it. This was your question number 4 regarding LCM. Now, talking about question number 5, if HCF of first polynomial and second polynomial is this, find their LCM. We have already done these type of questions. Question number 5. First polynomial is p of x. That is x raised power 4 plus 3x cubed plus 5x square plus 26x plus 56. Second polynomial is x raised power 4 plus 2x cubed plus minus 4x square minus x plus 28. And then HCF is x square plus 5x plus 7, and then find the LCM. You have already knowledge about this relation. Product of both polynomials is equal to, answer will be the product of their HCF and LCM, like p of x multiplied by q of x is equal to HCF multiplied by their LCM. So you need to find their LCM. So this HCF will be divide here, mean to say P of X multiplied by Q of X divided by HCF is equal to the LCM. So now you need to put all the values in it. So the values are P of X, that is X raised power 4 and plus 3x cubed plus 5x square plus 26x plus 56 multiplied by Q of X is X raised power 4 plus 2x cubed minus 4x square minus x plus 28, and it is divided by HCF x square plus 5x plus 7, that is equal to their LCM. Now you can see that this x square plus 5x plus 7 can divide either this polynomial, either this polynomial. So division method will apply here. That is so easy, you can easily do this. But for the space problem, I will erase this portion and solve it here, so you can easily understand it. This is question number 5, remaining part. I am solving only this portion. X raised power 4 plus 3x cubed plus 5x squared plus 26x and plus 56. And its divisor is x squared plus 5x plus 7. Okay, now we have divisor and we need to multiply it with the number through which we can operate this divisor. X raised power 4 divided by the very first number is x raised power 4 and its very first number is this. So x raised power 4 will be a numerator and this very first expression is x square. This will be a denominator. After cancelling them, this will x square. So x square will be here. X square will going to multiply to this x square. It means x raised power 4. Change the sign, cancel it. Now x square will going to multiply to this 5. It becomes 5x cubed. Change the sign. This x square will multiply to this 7. It becomes 7x squared. Change the sign. Okay. Three minus 5 makes minus 2x cubed. 5 minus 7 minus 2x squared. Again plus 26x plus 56. Now this power is smaller than this x cubed, so we will operate again. Now again we need to find the multiplicative number. So this is the very first expression is minus 2x cubed. So minus 2x cubed will be a numerator. The very first number through divisor is x square. Cancel it and you are left with only minus 2x. This minus 2x will be here. Now it's minus 2x term right now. Minus 2x will going to multiply to this x square. That makes minus 2x cubed. Change the sign, cancel it. Minus 2x multiplied by 5x. 5 2s are 10, so minus 10x square. Change the sign. Minus 2x multiplied by plus 7 makes minus 14x. Change the sign. 10 minus 2 makes, or minus 2 plus 10 makes 8x square. Plus 26 plus 14, it makes 40 x. And right now Uh, 2 7 are 14. Okay, plus 56. Again, you can see that this is x square and this is x square. These powers are level. Again, we need a number. How we can find that? The very first number, that x square, that will be on numerator, and the very first number of divisor, that will be on denominator. Cancel them, and we are left with only 8. This 8 will be here. So now 8 multiplied by x square, 8x square, change the sign, cancel it. 8 5s are 40x, change the sign, cancel it. 8 7s are 56, change the sign and cancel it. So after dividing both of these, after dividing them, you are left with the answer. Which answer? That is x square minus 2x plus 8. So your LCM will be finally, this is your LCM. Or neatly I can write it as LCM is equal to, if you can easily see this, x square minus 2x plus 8, and other is x to the power 4 plus 2x cubed minus 4x square and minus x plus 28. Okay, I hope you can easily watch this. So this was question number 5. Now for question number 6 of this review exercise will be question number 6. Simplification method. First is 3 over x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. And after that, minus 3 divided by x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. There are many ways to solve this question. But very, very, very simplest method to apply that, you need factorization of both of them. The factorization of this one is that this is x cubed plus x square plus x plus 1. What is common here? You can see that x square is common. So after taking x square common from it, you are left with x and plus and 1. And what is common here? Only plus 1. You are left with. Now you can see that within the brackets, both are same. So if these are same, then you have to write it once and not brackets. This is. And for this x cube minus x square plus x, you need to apply the same criteria. What is common here? X square is common. X minus 1. What is common here? Plus 1 is common. Again x minus 1. So you can see that both are same. So x minus 1 and then x square plus 1. And that's it. Now you can easily see this. I'm just going to replace these expressions just because of some space problem. But this step will be your, the next step you need to do this, which I'm going to do here. That is, instead of that step, I'm going to write these things, x plus 1 and x square plus 1. And also, instead of writing the previous expression, I'm going to write here x minus 1 and x square plus 1. Now see that how simply we can solve this question. First of all, check that what is common here. You can see that 3 is common, because 3 is here. X square plus 1 is common because x square plus 1 is also here. So after taking 3 from numerator and x square plus 1 from denominator common, the left is only 1 divided by x plus 1 minus 1 divided by only x minus 1. How simple is that? Just you need to solve this one. Just take the LCM. LCM will be x plus 1 and x minus 1. X plus 1 will cancel to this x plus 1, this x minus 1 will going to multiply to this. And then this x plus 1 will going to multiply to this negative 1. So this minus will change these signs. So this will become minus x and then minus 1. Beta, if there is some question, Aline, your mic is on. If there is some question, you can ask it on the last portion of this lecture. Okay, this x can cancel to this negative x, and you are left with only 3 divided by x square plus 1, and minus 1 makes minus 2 divided by x plus 1 and x minus 1, that makes x square minus 1. Three multiplied by minus 2, it makes minus 6. X square plus 1 and x square minus 1. It is again of the type of formula a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b makes a square minus b square. I mean to say x square minus 1 square. It makes minus 6 divided by x to the power 4 minus 1. And that's it. This was your first part. And now for the second part. The second part of this. Okay. Second part is a plus b divided by a square minus b square. Divided by a square minus ab divided by a square minus 2ab plus b square. Very simple. A plus b divided by, this is a square minus b square. A square minus b square is basically the formula which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. You have already knowledge about that. This divide sign, we are changing it to multiply sign, and this a square minus 2ab plus b square will revert to numerator. But one thing, a square minus 2ab plus b square, what is this? Again, it is the formula. There is the formula of a minus b whole square. So we can write a minus b whole square on the upside, and this is a square minus ab. We need to write it on the downside. But again is the thing, what is common between a square minus ab? You can see that a is common. So we can take a common from here. So a minus b will be here. Now you can easily solve this. This a plus b cancel this a plus b. This a minus b will cancel this a minus b. Again this a minus b will cancel, complete the same. So what will be left here? Only this a. And your answer will be 1 over a only. And that's it. Okay. Now this was your question number 6. Now we will discuss about question number 7, square root by factorization. Actually, question number 7 and question number 8 are same, so question number 8 will be the best option, square root. by division. We have already done from exercise 6.3. Very simple. 4x square over y square plus 20x over y plus 13 minus 30y over x plus 9y square over x square. Now you need to find the square root. So for square root through division method, first you need to find the very first expression. You need to find the divisor. You need to take the square root of it. What will be the square root of 4? That is 2. What will be the square root of x square? That is x. What will be the square root of y square? That is y. So 4x square over y square root will be 2x over y. So you need to write here 2x over y. Again you need to write here 2x over y. So 2x over y multiplied by 2x over y makes this thing. 4x square over y square, negative sign cancel. Now you need to put other two values upside down. 20 x over y plus 13. Now again we need a divisor. First we need to multiply this number by 2. Multiply by 2. It becomes 2 to the 4x over y. And now solve it. Again the number which we require here, 20x over y on the numerator and 4x over y on the denominator. This x over y cancels this x over y, for 1 the 4, for 5 the 20. So plus 5 will be the number that you need to apply here and here. So now this is this 5 term, 5 4 the 20, x over y, negative sign cancel, 5 5 is 25, negative sign. So 13 minus 25, it makes minus 12, minus 30y over x, and then plus 9y square over x square. Now 4x over y, you need to multiply this number by 2 to 5 the 10. Again you need a divisor here. So 12 divided, minus 12 divided by 4x over y. After cancellating them, you will have minus 3y over x after dividing them. So minus 3y over x will be here and minus 3y over x will be here. Minus 3y over x multiplied to this 4x over y will cancel to that y, x will cancel to that x. So minus 3 multiplied by 4, it makes minus 12. Minus 12 will be here, change the sign, cancel them. After that, minus 3y by x multiplied by plus 10, that makes minus 30y over x. Change the sign, cancel them. Minus 3y by x and minus 3y by x makes plus 9y square over x square. Change the sign, cancel them. So, it is the answer. Now this was your review exercise of chapter number 6. Here your chapter number 1, chapter 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are totally completed. You need to do that more practice and practice, you can do it. And for now, if you have any question regarding today's lecture or any previous lecture, you can ask it now. And thank you.